What is SAS? SAS is a leader in business analytics. Through innovative analytics, it caters to business intelligence and data management software and services. SAS transforms data into insight which can give a fresh perspective on business. Unlike other BI tools available in the market, SAS takes an extensive programming approach to data transformation and analysis rather than a pure drag, drop and connect approach. That makes it stand out from the crowd as it gives much finer control over data manipulation. SAS has a very large number of components customized for specific industries and data analysis tasks. Thanks for watching this video.